Keep coming.
What the hell? I was like, I didn't even know we had that like that.
Keep coming.
Doing the cinnamon challenge for Dimitri.
More?
That's not enough. That whole spoon ain't tablespoon.
For real?
Yeah.
Yeah, that's
Yeah,
crazy.
right there. Let's go outside.
Here he is.
What we're doing outside?
Come on. Bro, my feet just gave it. Just not a good idea. I'm scared.
You ready, Dimitri?
Damn, you had to back down, huh? Don't drop it.
Hey, it's shirt's on the back of the door. Got beside that door.
Wait, get the drink. Oh.
Gotcha.
Okay, where's it at?
Okay. All right, Dimitri.
You gonna hold it?
No, you're good.
He's gonna spoon feed you.
Back up.
Yeah.
Face that way.
But don't face too far away from the camera.
Never
scared.
turn your face like that. Dude, you're not gonna die.
Don't turn my face.
He still does.
Ready?
Yeah. Go. Do it. 1, 2, 3.
Swallow. 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 Try to swallow, bro.
Swallow it. Swallow, bro. Swallow.
Hey, I'm using yourself to swallow.
Swallow.
You can't swallow it.
You can't swallow.
You got some.
That's right.
Can you breathe? CPR. I can't fly.
I pissed in that water.
No, he got it all over me. And the camera, bro.
The AAA.
Oh shit.
Oh shit. Making me smile so
I'm going on Facebook tonight.
What's this, bro?
You got closer than anybody else, I think.
Yeah. Because as soon as I put it in my mouth, it went out.
It's like in my throat.
For a couple weeks. You're gonna blow your nose today, and it's gonna be number 10 in the middle of class.
Damn again. Dimitri, man, you gotta quit spitting all over me.
Oh. But get the camera out of my face.
No. I mean, after all what I saw, this isn't bad. Well, that was pretty.
I placed my jizz in my throat.
How you know it just in your throat?
We don't know.
I've been explaining what it feels like.
Oh, my God.